Hello everyone, I'm Chetan Singh Solanki. I am here with my Energy Swaraj Yatra, and this Yatra is for 11 years. In 2020 I have started this Yatra, and this will continue till 2030. Though I'm a professor from IIT Bombay, but what is the reason that I started Yatra? One of the main reason is that the climate is not changing, climate has changed. All of us can feel what is happening in the world. Weather system has changed, winter is not same anymore, summer is not same anymore. So the climate has changed, and the question is, who has caused the change? So all of us, every human being on this planet, whether we belong to India, Africa, America, Europe, whether we are rich people or poor people, everyone is using energy. And because everyone is using energy, 80 to 85% energy comes from carbon source, petrol, diesel, coal, etc. And therefore we are all responsible for emitting carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas and causing global warming. Right now, the planet is already warmer by 1.1 degree centigrade, which is equal to 2 degree Fahrenheit. When our body temperature increases by 2 degree Fahrenheit, we say body has got the fever. Similar to that, the planet has got the fever because the planet's temperature is increased by 2 degree Fahrenheit. Climate scientists tells us that we need to limit the global warming to 1.5 degree centigrade, and we do not have much time before we touch 1.5 degree centigrade. The time left today is only about 7 to 8 years or maybe 10 years. All over the world, government has been taking action. There are COP meetings every year, COP meetings taking place. There was a Paris Agreement in 2015. There was a Kyoto Protocol in 25 years back. But all the government efforts at level, international level, national level are not working out. And therefore I realized that it is not enough for the government alone to take action. Each one of us are using energy, each one of us using resources, and therefore each one of us are contributing to the climate change. And therefore who would be the solution provider? Each one of us. Every individual should become a solution provider by means of converting 100% into solar energy. So we need to switch 100% to solar energy. We are all living using solar energy. We exist because of solar energy. And that is what is Energy Swaraj is all about. So Energy Swaraj is all about becoming energy independent. I believe that when each one of us become energy independent, the government will also become energy independent, and we will be able to solve the problem of climate change, which is already becoming a very serious problem. So the Energy Swaraj should become a public movement. It should become a movement where every individual start taking part and contributing, and that is why I started this 11 years Yatra. I have decided that for 11 years I am not going to go home. I started this in 2020 from Bhopal, and till 2030 this Yatra will continue, and I am hoping that I will reach out to millions and billions of people so that we all can start climate corrective action. And today is a beautiful day, today is Earth Day, and I am so happy to be here in this institute and able to talk to you. And I hope that with this, all of you together, with the institute together, with all the young students who are sitting together, we would be able to really create a public movement, and we become proud, energy independent, and we will all adopt to Energy Swaraj. If we do not do that, it is estimated that by the end of century, the temperature will go to 3, 4, 5 degrees centigrade. And there is a big question mark whether human life can survive on this planet or not from 100 years, 150 years from now. And we say that, once upon a time, there were dinosaurs on the planet. They are not there anymore because they disappeared because of the climate change. If we are not going to take a right action immediately, urgently, there will be a time 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 years later, then some new species will come on the planet, and they will say, once upon a time, there were humans on the planet. I hope we will not get into this situation, and before it becomes too late, let us all start taking action. Let us all become energy independent so that we can make this planet sustainable for ourselves and our future generation. Thank you very much.